Recently, Turkey and Syria have faced one of the worst earthquake of this decade, and death number is more than 12,000, and it is estimated that it will goes 5 to 6 times bigger, and total losses of Turkey would be around 80 to 100 billion US dollar. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is natural disaster. Friends, natural disaster is a natural event that result as a mass destruction of life, economy, as well as environment. Friends, some example are earthquake, floods, tsunami, cyclone, uh, wildfire, avalanche, droughts, etc. Friends, if I talk about some deadliest natural disaster of the history, then first come 1931 China flood in which 40 lakh people died. 87 China Yellow River flood in which 20 lakh people died. 1976 China earthquake in which 6.5 lakh people died, and most recent Haiti earthquake in which 3.1 lakh people died. Friends, if I talk about the impact of natural disaster, then first is individually impact. Because of the natural disaster, people suffered physically, emotionally, economically, as well as mentally, and they damage many things personally. Second is community impact. After a deadliest or any natural disaster, a complete community faced, and they lost also their resources, as well as the recovery time would be very big. Third is economic impact. We can take example of Turkey. It is estimated it will economic loss will goes up to 100 billion US dollar, and it is short time. Long time effect would be uh, more bad. Fourth is environmental impact. We also have seen in the time of California wildfire, Australia wildfire, and in 2008 of cyclone of Myanmar, how the environment got impacted after the natural disaster. Friends, some other impact like new kind of disease generated in the time of natural disaster. Because we can take example of tsunami floods after the contaminated water, new kind of disease arise, and people health got very at risk. Friends, now let's talk how we can prepare for the natural disaster, because we can never prevent the natural disaster, but we can prepare for that. So we can follow some emergency step. First, we can prepare some emergency kit that will include water, food, sanitization, as well as first aid box, uh, local map, and flashlights. Second, we can have some emergency drill for the natural disaster in our local, and in which we can find out the various route of evacuation. We can find out where to shelter, and some other steps like third, uh, the we can follow the local authority guidelines, and we can make contact with them on the time to time, and we can forward message to the others. Friends, last some other step like we can note down the insurance numbers, because after the any disaster, that will be very important to get refund for that. Friends, in my conclusion, at the time of natural disaster, we should only focus on the lives, because only lives will matter. We can take example of India. India have declared a faster response and support for the people of Turkey, and Prime Minister Modi have sent 4 aircraft with personals as well as equipments and relief material for the people of Turkey. Despite we have seen in the last time, Turkey have done many anti-India propaganda with Pakistan, but India only focus on the lives, and world also focus on the lives. Friends, as we can see, natural disaster is in recent time we have seen much natural disaster, and it is happening by because of climate is changing day by day. B should focus on the we cannot prevent the natural disaster, so we should focus only on the practices and how we can overcome the number of deaths, number of losses of property, and then we can be somehow we can prepare for that. Thank you.